Hello, my name is Helga. I'm a medical consultant in hair transplant. Today I want to talk to you about the stem cell therapy. The stem cells are pluripotential cells in the body. When you apply them on the brain, they become neurons. When you apply them on the bones, they become bones. If you apply them on the blood, they become blood. And when you apply them on the scalp, they become hair. When babies are born, from the umbilical cord they conserve the stem cells from birth and put it in a genetic bank for 30-40 years to make sure that if that baby encounters a very hard disease such as leukemia, cancer or autoimmune diseases of the intestine, with the stem cells they can go and fix it permanently. In the hair transplant industry, we don't have the stem cells from birth anymore because 30-40 years ago that wasn't known and wasn't doable. So around this time we need to extract them from behind the ear, the fibroblast, prepare it in the laboratory and then inject it to the scalp. The stem cell therapy will give to the patient two principal benefits. First of all, it will fix the androgenic alopecia, which is the common condition of losing hair in men. That means that you won't have a further hair loss, neither of transplanted hair or existing hair, which means you can consider hair transplant as a permanent solution. In Turkey, we are the only clinic that includes the stem cell therapy with fibroblast in the package of hair transplant. That just to maximize the results as much as possible so the patient do not need to do multiple sessions. Besides the first benefit, there is also a second important thing. The stem cells will stimulate the growth of new hair in the areas that didn't grow hair for the last 10 years. That it will add to the actual transplant. So consider that besides the transplanted hair, there will grow naturally the hair from the scalp. That gives you the natural touch and also stimulates the blood circulation. This therapy has to be done just once. You don't need to repeat it, and it's done with precision and delicacy from our team. The staff is performing fibroblasts for the past 10 years and it's highly expertised in this field. If you need further information about it, you have questions or concerns, feel free to reach out so we can give you more details.